Assembly of God School in Hardoi is renowned for its commitment to academic excellence and holistic development. Our rigorous curriculum, coupled with innovative teaching methodologies, ensures that students are well prepared for future challenges. With a focus on nurturing not just intellect but also character, we instill values of integrity, compassion, and resilience in our students. At Assembly of God School, we believe in creating a supportive and inclusive environment where every student feels valued and encouraged to explore their interests and talents. Our dedicated faculty members are passionate about inspiring a love for learning and guiding students towards achieving their goals. In addition to academic pursuits, we offer a wide range of extracurricular activities and opportunities for personal growth. From sports and performing arts to community service initiatives, students have the chance to discover their passions and develop important life skills.
Dear parents, we are delighted to announce that admission is now open at Assembly of God School, Hardoi, from nursery to class 11. As a reputed institution committed to academic excellence and holistic development, we invite you to explore the enriching educational journey we offer for your child. Join us in shaping a bright future filled with learning, growth, and success. We look forward to welcoming your family into our school community. Assembly of God School, Hardoi. For more information, contact at 0585223456 to 34260.
असेंबली ऑफ गॉड स्कूल हरदोई में प्रवेश के लिए आपका स्वागत है। हमारे स्कूल में विद्यार्थियों को उच्चतम मानकों पर आधारित शिक्षा एवं सांस्कृतिक विकास की सुविधा प्रदान की जाती है। हमारे प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी को अपने पूरे पोटेंशियल को प्राप्त करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया जाता है। हमारा शिक्षा का धारणात्मक प्रोग्राम छात्रों को सामाजिक, आर्थिक और व्यक्तिगत स्तर पर सशक्त बनाने के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है।